to our video channel on jobs and careers. Today I'm going to speak on Cisco Certified Network Associate. It's a category of technical certifications offered by Cisco for early career networking professionals. The CCNA is the second level of accreditation, one step above Cisco Certified Entry Networking Technician, and directly below the CCNP, that is Cisco Certified Network Professionals. Cisco offers 5 Cisco Career Certification programs and level of accreditation: Entry, Associate, Professional, Expert, and Architect. Top modules. There are 4 modules in the recommended sequence: Introduction to Networks, Routing and Switching Essentials, Scaling Networks, Connecting Networks. The scope of jobs after completing the CCNA course. Doing a CCNA course not only provides knowledge and skills but also offers a ticket to success. It means that the moment your resume has a CCNA certification course by an authorized learning center, the best multinational companies would be glad to have you on board. As a CCNA candidate, you would get a job faster than any other individual. Those who specialize in the various courses offered by CCNA have a better job opportunities. The industry requirement for CCNA certified people has increased. Today, recruiters are looking for competent individuals who have an edge over others. They seek those certified networking professionals who have an advanced knowledge of protocols. Once you receive this high-grade recognition, you will get the confidence to opt for better career prospects. In fact, you will observe that with the right efforts and dedication, you would be able to excel in your field. CCNA certification salary. Average salary for CCNA certified professionals and other Cisco certification holders. CCENT, Cisco Certified Entry Networking Technician, $70,680. CCNA, Cisco Certified Networking Associate Routing and Switching, $81,161. CCNA Video, $84,335. Future scope of CCNA courses. Almost every IT companies require a network engineer or a network administrator to manage their LAN as well as WAN networks. As Cisco got the lion's share in network domain, as a beginner and being a CCNA certified, there will be huge opportunities waiting for you out there. Few of them are network administrator, network engineer, network consultant, NOC technician. Companies looking for Cisco certified network associate holders. So this was it. So stay connected with us for more such videos and do not forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thank you.